I'm Yuto, and today on Sudachi I'm going to show you how to make a delicious plant-based dish inspired by unagi don. It's called Eggplant Kabayaki and it's seriously good. Let's get started. First you're going to need 3 eggplants, cut off the stems and then peel the skin off with a peeler. These are Japanese eggplants, but other types of eggplants also work great. Once you've removed the skin, place them in a heat-proof bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Microwave at 600 watts for about 3 minutes or until it's soft. If one softens faster than the others, you can take it out early. While we're waiting for the eggplants to cool down, let's make the Kabayaki style sauce. Grab a small bowl and add 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake, and 1.5 tablespoons of mirin. Mix it up, then place it by the stove ready for later. Okay, my eggplant is cool enough to touch now, so I'm going to cut it. Cut it through the center lengthways, but don't cut all the way through. Once you're about 3/4 of the way through, open up like a book. Cut through the middle of each side, again not cutting all the way through. We're essentially making incisions so that we can open the eggplant and flatten it. Press it down with the side of your knife to make it nice and flat. Once they're opened, sprinkle the tops with flour. Heat a pan on medium and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Place the eggplants in the pan with the floured side facing down and fry them until browned. Make sure to use a large enough pan so that the eggplant can lay flat. This will help them color evenly. Flip them over and brown them a bit on the other side. Now add the sauce from earlier and move the eggplants around the pan to help coat them in the sauce. Flip them from time to time to coat them evenly on both sides. Once the eggplants are covered and the sauce is slightly thickened and glossy, take the pan off the heat. We serve this eggplant kabayaki over rice, so drizzle some of the sauce over the rice and top with shredded nori. Place the eggplant on top. Then sprinkle with sesame seeds and chopped green onions. And that's it, delicious eggplant kabayaki inspired by unagi don. Personally love this dish with a bit of wasabi, but of course it's optional. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed that one. If you want to learn more about this recipe, check out the written version on my blog, the link is on the screen. Also, if you're interested in learning how to make the actual unagi don, you can find it on the screen too. Hope to see you in the next one, take care.